Yo guys, long man here. It's the Amazon Prime days and I bought myself something cool, so we're doing another unboxing. Here we are, got a package, got my scissors. Let's open this bad boy up. Lots of packaging. Here's that. There we go. Moment of truth. I bought a HyperX Quadcast microphone, a customizable lighting designed for streaming. HyperX Quadcast S. It's got RGB, it's got a shock mount, it's gonna be better than the blue snowball I have now, hopefully a bit more configurable as well. So let's go unpack this. HyperX has you covered. Little card. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. Thank you for choosing HyperX and supporting a brand that embraces all gaming enthusiasts everywhere in line with our core beliefs. We're all gamers. From the HyperX team. Here it is. A little connecting piece. I'll keep that separate for now. Got a nice wire. I'll be hooking that up to my PC in a bit. And here we have the actual microphone. Look at it, this is all RGB. I'll hook it up in a second so you can see it's got it's on the stand right now, but we're gonna hook it up to our mic arm. Gain control here on the bottom. It's in a shock mount, so that's gonna help reduce the other noises, which is gonna be great for my setup. So yeah, let's go downstairs, hook this up at my PC, and I'll see you there. So here we are, recording on both PC and on the phone. The microphone is installed on my boom arm. There you go. You can see my setup right now. I still need to get a new monitor and maybe a new keyboard, because this one is really loud. But I've been messing around with the sound settings a little bit, haven't done too much, but I hope it's gonna be a lot better quality for videos and for streaming. So I hope you guys will enjoy my upgraded content. It was pretty easy to install. Already had the boom arm with the 3/8 thread, I think it is. So it was easy to just screw on there, replace my blue snowball. And now I have a nice shiny RGB mic. On and off by the tap of a button. Have the gain here on the bottom. The lighting is pretty bad, so you can't really see. But I'm gonna have some fun with this, and hopefully you guys will enjoy my new video quality. That was it for another unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye bye.